What happened here? Henry is the master of reversing a mortise lock from a right hand to a left hand, and this is the process. You open the body of the lock. Let's see inside. Wait, Henry. Let's see inside what's going on. We're going to be reversing the latch and then the spindle bracket. Okay, go ahead, Henry. See all the parts moving out.
Yes, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Can I get 2 of these? 2 copies of each of these? Please?
Closing back the bag. Putting back the screws. That's all the process. Much more on www.metrolock.com. Thanks.